Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
All right. Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's the show where I show you what you can do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something a little special. Part of the Meet the Manufacturer series I've been doing lately with the Sun Shun Fook Company and their range of wonderful Sau Tao products. This is their Taiwanese style sliced noodles with shallot oil. Is it shallot oil or scallion oil? Shallot oil. So we're gonna have a little bit of fun with that today and do fun things. Fun. I'm sure you're all still locked in your urban caves, wishing you could get out. But I shall free your mind for you, and it will be fun, and you will enjoy that because I say so. Right? So I gotta get this done all nicely because if I don't, then I can't scan the package. Now we must have the package get scanned. Oh, wow, look at these. Hey, these are nice. Oh, okay. Check these out. I didn't expect individual size packs on the inside like this, but yeah. So 4 minutes, drain it, and then add in the sachets and stir it. This is like what you would consider to be a Taiwanese dry noodle style. And we'll see what kind of noodle we got here. There's many different kinds. Many Taiwanese noodles out there. Whoa! Let's see, what did I do today? I got up early. I talked to my brother on the phone. He's getting ready to celebrate Passover. Oh, wow. And, yeah, I guess they have to get rid of everything that has yeast in it out of the house. So they go through everything. So I'm pretty involved. Kind of like opening this. Okay. Come on now. There you go. There we go. Alright. So these are definitely, yeah. Check that out. Whoa. Woof. Yeah, I apologize. That might have frightened you. It was not my intent to frighten you. It frightened me. What do you think of the music so far? People always ask me, where's your music coming from? And it comes from epidemicsound.com, so go look there. But if you've got a YouTube channel, you can go and you can pay a certain amount and you can use their music. Powder. Shallot oil seasoning. And probably soy sauce. Monopoly ticket, yeah. Let's get some instant winners in his mother today. Nope, that one didn't win. No, 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 no. What about this one? No, wait a second. It's 50 cents off some chocolate. Yeah, but I don't really want that. 50 cents off Oscar Mayer deli fresh lunch meat. No, no. What's in this one? Absolutely nothing. What about this ticket? I hope they give me lots more, 'cause I like to do what I'm doing right now. 50 cents off corn dogs. I really like corn dogs, but they don't like me. That was fun. That was another. Yeah. Not having a lot of luck with these today. Although the last episode I got a 4-pack of free light bulbs. Oh man, you don't even want to know what I'm going to do with those. More free game tickets. Enjoy $25 off or 50% off at Shutterfly. Maybe. Oh, we got 50 seconds left. 50 cents off Viva paper towels. They're expensive paper towels and they leave a lot of lint on things. I used to think they were the best. But when you try to clean your glasses with them, they leave a mess. And now there's the last ticket. What are we gonna get? 50 cents off beef jerky! Alright, this has been the enjoyable doing the Monopoly game tickets from the grocery store segment of our show. And it was kind of a crapshoot. It always is. So, I don't know. Let's give these noodles a stir. These sound good. Alright, let's drain these suckers. This is a wonderful strainer. Everyone in our audience will go home with one. This is from Van Cleef and Arpels of Beverly Hills. Draining the noodles. Alright. So I highly recommend to you guys, if you see noodles in bags, like the bag I showed you, those are Taiwanese noodles, and I highly, highly recommend trying them. You might see all sorts of different brands. Give them all a try. Some of them are spendy. That smells nice. Children are taking a bath right now. I believe this is soy sauce. Might not be, but I think it is. If it is or isn't, it smells darn good. And this should be the oil. This smells like it's going to be a really nice dry noodle. With enjoyment for all. And then basically you just toss it, stir it. So you want to really stir it. You got your oil, you got your soy sauce, got a lot going on. This kind of noodle is kind of a dual textured noodle. Why do I say that? Well, I'll show you and tell you. So look, if I can see how there's like a center line, and then there's like a thinner line on the outside. Like it's both thick and thin, and it gives you like a dual action mouthfeel. I really, really like that. These are like some of the neatest noodles. Those are pretty good. They seem a little different than the ones that come from Taiwan. Are these? I mean, this is a Hong Kong brand. They might be sourcing the noodle from Taiwan, but I don't know. I'm unsure. I don't see anything saying product of Taiwan on here. But noodle, wheat flour, salt, and water. That's it. No weird stuff going on. It's just really straight up with you about it. I want another bite. This is like my favorite kind of noodle. Cheers. Yeah. I'll tell you right now, I like that. That's very good. Yeah, I know some of you are going to be like, why do you play so much freaking disco? When I was a kid, I had a couple cassettes from my sister. My sister grew up in the 70s. I was born in 75, and I inherited a lot of her tapes and stuff. And so I would listen to the music she listened to when she was in high school in the 70s. So I was kind of raised on disco. Isn't that a weird thing to say? But it's true. But that's where I get a lot of my affectations about music and such. Girl, put some seeds on the noodle. I think we're gonna go with a little bit of Lao Gan Ma on this one. Just saying. It's a wonderful thing. So these guys make a couple different versions of these Taiwanese style noodles. Oh. Oh. Oh my. I think we're good. This stuff's good. And especially when you put a little bit of Lao Gan Ma on it. If you haven't tried it, here, I have to do my once in a while public service announcement. This is called Lao Gan Ma Spicy Chili Crisp. This is what it's all about, folks. If you like sriracha, don't bother anymore. Get this, okay? There's other brands. There's this one. This one's from Singapore. And this is a chili crisp. This one's based on prawn, shrimp paste. And then I've got this one. This came by way of the guys over at Vite Ramen. This is a Fly by Jing Szechuan chili crisp. That's pretty good too. There's a lot of different chili crisps on the market. So far, those are the 3 I've tried. I like them all. Well, this Lao Gan Ma one is the most prevalent, so you'll find that one the easiest. But yeah, it's crispy, it's sweet, it's savory, it's sweet, and a little bit spicy. Yes, it is the plague that makes my booty move. Yeah, it's wonderful. So let's get on down to where the noodle ball is spinning. Next song. Alright, well, it's good to be back this week for more episodes of It's Noodle Recipe Time. And yeah, new music. It's been a long time coming. I'm sorry it took me so long, but yeah, got new grooves, new moves, new funk. This week is going to be a crazy week. I've got to get a bunch of stuff done, get the top 10 list ready. Yeah, I think it's gonna be out in 10 days. At least for me. If it's April 20th is the day that it should be out. So keep your eye out. Or if it's, yeah, you know what I mean. In your universe, that's already happened. So go look at it if you haven't. There, that wasn't so hard. Get the Ramen Raider app. Go check out shop.theramenraider.com and go buy your noodles over there or else. Yeah. Got some good deals for you. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Yeah, you. Have a good one. Bye.